Welcome back. Now shifting focus to Allahabad, where Supreme Court pulls up Allahabad High Court judge for remarks on rape, takes suo motu cognizance of remark on rape by judge, and Supreme Court said, and I quote, "We are pained to see such observations from the author of the judgment." All right, remember, this was in fact a very controversial observation that was made by the Allahabad High Court judge regarding one of the rape case that he was in fact hearing, and this has now been taken up by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has in fact pulled up the Allahabad High Court judge over his remark and has taken suo motu cognizance of the remark on the rape by this particular judge of Allahabad High Court, and Supreme Court has in fact made this observation, and they said, and I quote, that we are pained to see such observations from the author of the judgment. So, unquote. So, this is a very crucial development that has happened. Remember, there was a lot of talks about the kind of way this observation was made by the Allahabad High Court judge, where he in fact talked about how touching women or pulling the strings of the pajamas of women doesn't really constitute to rape. This was one of the statements that has in fact been made by the Allahabad High Court judge, and that has not gone well by the large section of the society who were in fact questioning the judgment that was made by this particular judge. And now what we're hearing is that Supreme Court has in fact pulled up Allahabad High Court judge for his remark that he made while hearing one of the rape cases, and the Supreme Court has in fact taken suo motu cognizance of this remark and has in fact said that they are in fact pained to see that such observations were being made from the author of the judgment. Remember, a lot of women activists, a lot of talks was in fact going on that how such statement can be made, and now the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance. I'm now joined by CNN News 18's Anshul Singh on this broadcast. Anshul, the Supreme Court has in fact taken a suo motu cognizance. First, take us through the observation that was has in fact been made by the Supreme Court at this point.
Well, yes, after the judgments that came in from the Allahabad High Court, this was definitely criticized across the board from across people across the country. And now finally the Supreme Court has gone ahead and taken a suo motu cognizance of this entire matter. While listening to the matter, the Supreme Court in fact went ahead and said that we are pained to see such observations from the author of the judgment, that is the justice who had given out this judgment. And in fact, the Supreme Court in very clear terms goes ahead and says that the judgment shows inhuman approach. In fact, the observations that have been made by the said judge has all been stayed at this point in time. In fact, the SC has asked the Allahabad High Court to transfer the matter to the Chief Justice from the concerned judge, which means that now this entire matter, or whatever the ruling that was given from the side of the justice, will now be stayed, and this entire matter will now be transferred to the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, who will yet again listen to this entire matter. Because remember, the manner in which this entire observation came out, that was absolutely shocking, because it was not the prerogative of the sitting justice in this entire matter to go ahead and frame charges at a time when the investigation has just started. If at all there were changes that were needed to be made in the charges that have been pressed against the said two accused, then that should have happened during the trial period, or during the period at which the liabilities are tied to the accused, or framing of charges happen by the court. But the Allahabad High Court went out of its way and decided to go ahead and change the charges at a time when the accused was already in custody of the police. So definitely this was not
big observation that has in fact been made by Supreme Court at this point, and Anshul is in fact getting us all those details. So Supreme Court of course says that this is a very inhuman approach as far as the judgment of the Allahabad High Court is concerned. Now with that, we'll slip into a short break. More news and update on the other side. Stay tuned.